Very good morning, students. Hope you all are safe and sound at home. I hope you all have done yesterday English subject homework. So today we are going to talk in General English chapter 2 singular and plural. So before we start our chapter 2, I want to tell you one small story. The story name is The Gift of Honesty. ओके सो ऑनेस्टी का मतलब ईमानदार ईमानदारी से जो इंसान जीता है सो दैट इज़ नोन एज गिफ्ट ऑफ ऑनेस्टी सो लेट्स मूव टू द स्टोरी लॉन्ग टाइम अगो देर वॉज अ पेंटर नेम जैक जैक वॉज वेरी ऑनेस्ट पर्सन वो बहुत ईमानदार इंसान था बट सिंस ही वॉज पुअर he used to paint houses to earn a living. His earnings were very less. Life was full of struggle. The entire day of hard work could only provide him 2 times meal a day. So he always dreamed for a bigger project so that he could earn a lot. But he was committed to small task work. So one day, the landlord of the village called him and said, "Listen, Jack, I have called you for very important work. Do you want to do it?" Jack said, "Yes, sir. Tell me what work I have to do, sir." Sir replied he wanted to paint his boat by today itself. Jack said, "Sure, sir. I will complete it by today itself." Then landlord asked the charge for painting the boat. Jack replied, "Generally, I take 1500 for this work. Rest you decide." Landlord agreed by 1500, but he want work should be complete it by today itself and work should be good. So Jack promised to landlord. Then landlord took Jack near the river to see his boat. Jack said for some time to the Lord he want his stuff to paint that boat. Then he started painting the boat. As Jack was painting the boat, he noticed that boat has a big hole in it. Jack will paint the boat by fixing the hole it will sail. So first he fixed the hole, then afterwards he painted the whole boat. Then he went to the landlord and said, "Sir, the work is finished. You can see the boat." Sir see the boat and he appreciate for his hard work job. Then sir called him tomorrow in the morning. That boat was having a hole. Jack said, "Yes, sir, I knew it. Sir, I have fixed the hole." Then landlord paid him 6,000 rupees instead of giving 1,500 rupees. Why, students? Yes, because of his honesty, because of his hard work, perfect finishing. The landlord liked the job of the Jack and he paid 6,000 rupees to Jack. So this show gift of honesty. So students, you also have to be honest in front of your parents, teachers, elders. Then only you will get appreciation award. Okay, So now let us move to the chapter number 2 in general English, that is singular and plural. So before starting the chapter, I want to tell you what is meant by singular noun. Singular means S-I-N-G-U-L, single means single. The one person, one thing, one animal. So that is known as single. So that means singular noun. The definition of the singular noun is it denotes to one person or thing, that is called singular noun. For example, a flower, a boy. The second one, that is plural noun. Plural noun means more than one thing. Plu means plus. Plus means we are adding the sums in maths. So in plural also more it comes. So it denotes to more than one person or thing, that is known as plural noun. For example, rivers, toys, etc. What is mean by plural? Plural means plus, means two or more than two. That is known as plural. The definition of the plural is it denotes to more than one person, animal, place or thing. That is known as plural noun. For example, rivers, benches, toys, etc. These are the example of the plural noun. So students, now let us move for the three rules of this singular and plural chapter. Which are the three rules? Yes, students, today I will teach you first and the second rule, and the third rule I will teach you in the next period. Here, the first rule is singular to plural by adding s. Dog, girl, book, park. This all word is in singular. We have to add s and we have to make it plural. So it became dogs, girls, books, parks. So by adding s it became plural. Rule number 2. Add es to make singular to plural. So when we have to add es? Yes, when any noun which ends with s, double s, sh, ch, x or double z. At that time we have to add es. See, the words are bus, kiss, bush, bench, box, quiz. Here the last letter bus, s, double s, sh, ch, x and z. So we have to add es to make it plural. So by adding es it will become buses, kisses, bushes, benches, boxes and quiz. So students, here we are completing rule number 1 and rule number 2 explanation, and I am sending you one PDF of singular and plural noun definition and question number A, page number 4 exercise PDF I am sending. You have to copy one time in your general English notebook. Thank you students. Have a nice day.